We need our own things, blood. That man laughing, and the sisters, I'm sick and tired of the black girls there walking with fake hair and all them fart there and not proud to walk with the afro. Look at me, blood. You understand? I don't feel no way, blood, right? Because they know who we are. We don't know who we are. Love Melanin, love Bogle, love my people, blood. Bless or not. You understand? And then we party and rave.
Do you understand?
When beats like
You understand?
You understand?
Do you understand that, bro?
You understand? Peckham, the lively thing, you get me?
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Bless all of greetings, all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queen, lion and lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. Now, you see, in life, people do change. You can change if you want to, see? So I'm book up on one of my brethren. Then I'm an ex-bad man, run the road, tuggy, do time. Then change his life and he's doing greatness, embroidery, see? If I can play the phone, I'm going to hear what I go on. You don't know. See? Alright.
Yo, Bogle, Marcus, Sam, Sean, Nanny, blood, sweat and tears. And I look at something, you know, we have to bust them up 400 years before the abolition of slavery. The Morant Bay Rebellion. Never forget the Moors and the beast lie, rude boy. We're gonna inherit the earth no matter which way they twist or turn it. You understand? The sun is coming closer to the earth and it's getting hotter, blood. That's what this is all about. And when you go on there, watch a documentary about surviving the transition. Love Melanin, love Bogle, love my people, blood. Bless or not. You understand? And then we party and rave.
Do you understand?
When beats like
You understand?
You understand?
Do you understand that, bro?
You understand? Peckham, the lively thing, you get me? Everybody the boat, man. And peace to my people and try to be as good as you can, you know what I'm saying? The rest are gonna fall, man. You understand what I'm saying? Bogle, Marcus, Sam, Shaw, Nanny and the Windrush, blood. You can't forget that, blood. And me, them, you understand? And them grow me. You understand? All the people as I'm speaking back home, never forget them.
So you have any message about the youth, some of the knife crime, man?
Brethren, you see the knife now? Well, this is what it is now, yeah? The youth for realize and is using hip-hop now, yeah? I'll go too deep into that because you lot know that already. But what it is now, we don't own Mercedes. We don't own Adidas. We don't own Reebok. Right. We don't own BMW, right? So you be smart, blood. You think you're cool, but you're not. The system is using you to make you think you're cool and then marketing you, put you in the videos now and then selling them things there. We need our own things, blood. That man laughing and the sisters, I'm sick and tired of the black girls there walking with fake hair and all them fart there and not proud to walk with the afro. Look at me, blood. You understand? I don't feel no way, blood, right? Because they know who we are. We don't know who we are. So you lot would rather, even the sisters them, wanna laugh after your blood. Not to your face, but they're laughing after you. That's dead hair. How you think you're cool with that and flicking it like that, like white woman blood? What's wrong? Blood, listen, let me tell you something. None of you sort of black females can have my charge, you know, because I'm looking for the afro and gold earrings. And the true ones know what I mean, right? And see the niggas them as well, wearing the Adidas and all this on the bike and all them things there. You think you're cool, but you're systemized fool.
I'm coming, I'm just getting a pen.
You're systemized fool. Because you know why? You're advertising man things and we ain't even sorted out our own things there. So what the f is wrong with black people now? It seems like anyone can come in between us now and just mash us up. Blood. Why are we in this state, blood? That's like the forefathers gave us as much knowledge as we can. You understand? And I've heeded it. So how come you lot ain't heeded? Do you understand what I'm saying? And we need to sort ourselves out. You understand? Stop begging everybody else. All right.
What's about the knife crime?
Beautiful, bro.
You see the knife crime now? This black on black crime, man, they can't take us on. So now the beast has initiated it for us to take us on. Because we're the only ones that can take us on, blood. Right? Remember, Paul Bogle, Marcus, Sam, Shaw, Nanny, right? The rebellion, you know, we beat the British 400 years before the abolition of slavery. Now that was a vicious fight, blood. Many died, but we won. Do you understand what I'm saying? So they know they can't handle us, right? The knife on knife crime, I don't even need to tell you, man, that's nonsense, right? Brother killing brother. We're the only ones on the planet Earth, yeah, where we're keeping up all this foolishness, right? And it disappoints me, blood. Yes, we have been through a lot. We have been through slavery, been through this and been through that, but we should know better, blood. You understand what I'm saying? So someone's implemented this, right? And you stupid children, you stupid not use them with lack of knowledge, you don't know what you're doing, right? You're killing each other, right? Wait for the Gideon, you know. Because at the end of the day, you think it's cool when you're watching TV and the media portraying all these things here. We ain't got no role models. And that's why the next generation is so messed up, right? Because some of the parents, them, ain't talking to the youths, them, right? For them to be educated, right? And all the other ones have been killed out. Except for the Tsar, Imhotep, Haru, Khufu, May, Penwa, Ptah, Tupac, Whitney Houston. They kill them out because they can't have them influences on the earth while they're trying to implement us in bad things. If Whitney Houston, all them man there and all Tupac was still there, you think them man would sit by and let them this happen? You understand? My one will start spitting some lyrics, blood, but they have to kill them, you understand? So that the devil can lead the youth them. You understand what I'm saying? We're the best, you know, and God made us the best. You understand? And we're hated for it. And the beast is doing crafty things to make you look cool, but deep down, you lot are fool, blood. So heed what I'm saying, next generation, man, because at the end of the day, we're all we got, blood. No one don't give a f*** about us. We don't even give a f*** about us, blood. Right? And you know what I'm saying is true when you watch the news and the black on black crime, right? Enough is enough, rude boy. Do you understand what I'm saying? So what I'm saying now is that we just grab the good black woman and the good black man that we can and leave the rest, blood. Because we ain't even got time to train them man up there. If they ain't going to listen, let the beast take them, blood. And it's said in the scriptures, we're not all going to survive as well. So we save as many as we can. And the black woman, she is the pride and possession of our own nation. No black woman, no nation, blood. And it's as simple as that. And that's why the beast has gone for the black woman and make her mess up like this with the fake hair and fake eyelashes. All that shit. Blood, listen, man. Be who you should be, because the black woman is the best creation, blood, and they know that, but you don't know that. Alright.
Let them know your name and thing.
Brethren, newbie. Right, listen, I'm doing embroidery and fashion design. Look at the t-shirt now. So,
Are you design that?
what? I'm me design that and put that on there.
Hey.
Yo, look at that.
Let them know, man, why you build something for
You
them.
understand? This is how much I care for them. So this is how I put the t-shirt together, because I don't forget them. So Instagram, newbie789. Go on there and look at what I've done already, rude boy. And you see this man here?
Ryan Foot
Blood,
TV,
me and
Ryan
him,
Foot.
yo, listen, I can't forget this man, you know. So anywhere you see this man and any information you have to give to him, pass it to him, go and pass it to me. And any information I've got, I WhatsApp him and he'll put it on the something there.
Big up Lion Foot TV.
Yeah, man, Lionfoot TV. Man, I reached that there myself, but we're going to get big up Lionfoot TV, you get me? How we think this, yeah?
Alright, no, that's
Yo, me love you know. And listen to what I'm saying, you understand, black woman and black man, because we're all we got, seriously, right? We're all we got, blood. They don't give a shit about us, and they're trying to make us not give a shit about us, right? Look where we're coming from, the Persian Empire, right? Persia was run by a black woman, blood, the whole of Middle East, all right? Egyptian Empire, the Sudanese, right? Rhodesia, right? Abyssinia. We're magnificent, blood. Look where we're coming from, all right? Bless up.
Brother.
Blood. Yo, this man.
Yeah,
Yeah, we're gonna link, you know.
I know him anyway,
Every
so
time,
I'll
you know.
get through him.
Yeah, man.
But the more, anytime you want to see me down, Brixton, Peckham and New Cross supporting the black mans, you get me, and the black woman them. If I can help you, go on Instagram, leave me a message and I'll get back to you. If any black woman out there needs help, I've got USBs which I'm handing out for free, full of knowledge, 8 gigs. Get in touch with me and I'll give you one for free, blood. Black Wall Street, the black Chinese, right? The black Americans, the Aborigines, even the Moors in Europe, blood. Blood, this is our world. God said so. Bless you, know. I mean, I'll see you soon. You understand? Bless you.
Yes, my peeps, I hear them general attack. Them talk some positive stuff, though. Yeah, man, I don't know. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Make someone else hear the positive, uplifting, strong message. Seeing reasoning. Yeah, man. A Lionfoot, and I'm out.
Lionfoot TV. Subscribe. Press the bell and click the bell.